Welcome to Taito City, one of the most authentic and historic parts of Tokyo. Right now, we're walking through Ameyoko Shopping Street, known locally as Ameya-Yokocho. This place is more than just a market. It's one of the last areas in Tokyo where you can still feel the raw, energetic atmosphere of old Japan mixed with modern city life. The moment you enter these streets, your senses immediately come alive. The sounds of vendors calling out to customers, the smell of grilled seafood drifting through the air, the steam rising from tiny kitchens hidden between crowded alleys. Everything here feels alive. Ameyoko is located between Ueno Station and Okachimachi Station, directly under the railway tracks. And every few seconds, you hear the trains passing overhead, adding to the rhythm of the street itself. This market has a deep history. After World War II, this area became one of Tokyo's largest black markets, where people came searching for food, clothing, and imported American goods during difficult times. Some people say the name Ameyoko comes from the Japanese word for candy, while others believe it comes from the word America because American products were commonly sold here after the war. Today, the black market is gone, but the energy never disappeared. And honestly, that's what makes this place special. Unlike the polished luxury districts of Tokyo, Ameyoko feels real, crowded, noisy, colorful, human. As we continue walking through these streets tonight, you can see how food is at the center of everything here. Fresh seafood stacked on ice, crabs, oysters, octopus, shrimp, displayed right in front of the customers. Fruit stands filled with bright strawberries, melons, grapes, and oranges. Small restaurants packed shoulder to shoulder with locals and tourists. And in some stalls, you'll see cuts of meat and ingredients that may surprise foreign visitors. Pig feet, chicken feet, organs and traditional parts commonly used in Japanese and Asian cooking. For many tourists visiting Tokyo for the first time, this can feel shocking at first. But here in Japan, there's a strong cultural respect for using every part of the ingredient whenever possible. Nothing is wasted unnecessarily. And places like Ameyoko allow visitors to experience a side of Tokyo that most travel brochures never fully show. This street is not designed for luxury. It's designed for authenticity. As you walk deeper into the market, you begin to notice something interesting. The atmosphere constantly changes. One moment you're surrounded by the smell of grilled skewers and fried street food. And just a few steps later, you're standing in front of tiny seafood restaurants serving fresh sashimi and local beer. There's movement everywhere. People bargaining, workers unloading boxes, chefs preparing food right in front of customers, tourists filming every corner of the street. And somehow, despite the chaos, everything still works together perfectly. That balance is something Tokyo is famous for. Even in places that feel crowded and intense, there's still organization underneath it all. One important thing visitors should know about places like Ameyoko is that respect matters here. If you're filming or taking photos, try not to block walkways or disturb local businesses. Tokyo is extremely welcoming to tourists, but people also value personal space and smooth public movement. Another helpful tip: many smaller shops and food stalls still prefer cash. So if you visit markets like this, carrying Japanese yen is always a smart idea. And if you really want the full experience, don't rush. Take your time, walk slowly, look carefully. Some of the best moments here are hidden in small details. An elderly vendor preparing food exactly the same way for decades. A tiny ramen shop with only 6 seats. Friends sharing drinks after work under glowing lanterns. These are the moments that define Tokyo far more than skyscrapers do. At night, Ameyoko becomes even more cinematic. The reflections of neon lights on wet pavement. The sound of conversations mixing with train noise overhead. The smoke from grills rising into the cold Tokyo air. It almost feels like stepping into a movie scene. And this area also represents something deeper about Tokyo itself. The city is famous for advanced technology, giant screens, luxury shopping, and futuristic architecture. But places like this remind people that Tokyo's heart still lives in its streets, in its markets, in its food culture, in the people working late into the night to keep these traditions alive. That's why so many travelers fall in love with areas like Taito, because this part of Tokyo feels personal, unfiltered, honest. And even though millions of tourists visit Tokyo every year, places like Ameyoko still manage to keep their original soul. As we continue walking through these crowded streets tonight, surrounded by food, lights, sounds, and movement, you begin to understand something important about Tokyo. This city is not only about what you see, it's about what you experience. The atmosphere, the rhythm, the feeling of being completely surrounded by life. And maybe that's the reason Tokyo stays in people's memories long after they leave. Not because it tries to impress you, but because places like Ameyoko make you feel connected to the real heartbeat of the city. Thank you for exploring the historic streets of Taito City with me here in Tokyo, Japan. Don't forget to check out our full Sensoji Temple documentary and more adventures across Japan on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.